Steve from Rosenberg has a shower problem.
Well, his upstairs shower stopped delivering hot water, Tom, and it's not one that they use a lot. Steve writes, I researched and found replacing the cartridge would do the trick, and in fact, it did. However,
there you go.
he says, I cannot understand. Well, this is why he's wrote to us. He cannot understand why my home is less than 10 years old, and it's a Moen faucet, and this thing went bad in a shower that's seldom used. And when he pulled the cartridge out, he said it looked like new, but he didn't want to take a chance, so he went and changed it. So he wants to know, what caused that part that's so seldom used to go bad?
Not being used.
Get out of here.
Now, wait. I'm going to continue and extrapolate. No, that's not the right word.
Well, we're not going to perambulate. That's what matters. Cut right to it.
The bottom line is this, that it probably has either really hard water deposits that built up, or you could have debris on the hot side because it's just getting caught there and you're not blowing out that cartridge enough.
Oh.
So after a while, you get enough in there, it's not going to blow itself out anymore. It just happens. And you're going to find that with all unused things. When people have big houses with many bathrooms,
right,
you should go once a week, once every 2 weeks. I don't know if you do it now that your kids are leaving. If you have any bathrooms you're not using, just go and turn everything off and on and flush the toilet and keep things going. If you don't, you're going to find little problems like that out of non-use is just as bad as too much use.
Yeah, it's like airplanes on the ground break down faster than airplanes in the air.
Air conditioners, you don't run, all the seals dried out. Right. And all of a sudden you have to replace a condensing unit or a compressor. So, yeah.
And in this case, that cartridge just built up enough schmuck.
Yeah, and I don't know what kind of water they have where he is, but the water today has got so much stuff in it. Or it could be something from the water heater because it's the hot side. And they only have little tiny, tiny holes. You think the water can't go through there. It comes a lot. But once that little thing gets plugged, it's a new cartridge.
You're done for.
It's a new cartridge. They don't have washers. They have cartridges. They don't tell you that part.
All right. But, you know, we have lots of answers. You got home improvement questions? Send it to us. We'll help you out. Go to HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom form. Fill it out. Send it in. We'll answer it just like these videos over here. And if you want to know when we post a new one, click subscribe.
Ding.
Click the bell. We'll ring yours when we do.